Hello everybody, here's for another tutorial from Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez with Erika. Today we're going to again continue looking at some sounds for the regular simple past verbs, okay? But this is the D sound. And the letters that go with this one are the V, N, B, H, W, J, and Z. Well, it's more Z, right guys? Because it's the Z. Now, let's listen to the different verbs and then you can practice, okay? So, for the we have called, filled, and pulled. For the V, remember, put your teeth on your lip. V, loved, moved, lived. Next one, N, rained, learned, listened. Ordered, remembered, delivered. Next one, B sound. We have climbed, robbed, combed. The B is a bit silent, but it's there, okay? G sound. We have changed, arranged, and belonged. Remember, if you don't know the definition of some of these words, go ahead and look them up, okay? W, showed, followed, allowed. J, played, enjoyed, and stayed. Last one, Z, raised, used, closed. But remember, the trick with those Z sound is they actually have an S. Thank you very much, everybody, for listening to our tutorial today, and we look forward to having you return. Thanks.